This looks like a little cooler box standing on a metal table. This is a project a guy asked me to do for him. He wanted what we refer to as a water bath, which is a container you put water in, and what I did was I just ran a copper tubing in a circle around like that. I've drained the water out now. I had water in here, I ran it for an hour or so with a pipe that comes through out here, runs down, and what I've done at the bottom here is a little condenser with a 16-watt fan motor, and this is a little R22 rollator compressor with a capacitor start, and I've charged the system with R22. I've put a cord on with a plug, so you just plug it in, it runs continuously until you've had enough and you unplug it. There's no thermostat or controls. This is the compressor I've used, and the suction pipe, I've given it a coil here so that if you ever need to take your cooler box off, which is just freestanding on here. And this is a water bath. So the tubing inside here, I used 3/8 soft-run copper tubing with a 5/16 suction. I used quite a thick capillary tube which I've taped into the suction, but my capillary wasn't long enough. It goes up to about there, so I've just added a piece of 3/16 tubing on, which I've made a coil there, and there's a pencil dryer, and we ran it for just over an hour, and it froze the pipes here and the water got quite cold. So another project done with second-hand cooler box, second-hand table, and a lot of the components here is not new either.